Okay, so we need to work out the nth term of this sequence. We don't know whether it's quadratic or geometric or linear. So what we've got to do, first of all, we have to work out our first level difference of these. Okay, so -1 to 0, I've got a difference of 1. 0 to 3, I've got a difference of 3. 3 to 8, I've got a difference of 5. And 8 to 15, I've got a difference of 7. Okay, because they're different, we know it can't be linear. So let's do a second level difference. Here I've got 2, here I've got 2, here I've got 2. Okay, so because it's a second level difference, that means that we've got a quadratic. Okay, so all quadratics are a n squared plus bn plus c, and all we've got to do now is work out what a, b, and c is. Okay, because our second level difference is 2, we know a has to be 1 because a is always half of it. So actually, no, it's going to be n squared plus bn plus c. Okay. Now we've got to work out what b and c is, and there's loads of different ways to do it. But the way that is taught the most is that this one here is obviously n squared plus bn plus c. So what we would need to do below it is to write the sequence of n squared. Okay. Now then, sequence of n squared of n being 1, I've got 1 squared, which is 1. Then I've got 2 squared, which is 4. I've got 3 squared, which is 9. 4 squared, which is 16, and 5 squared is 25. Now I'm going to take the top one away from the bottom one. And if you look at algebraically, actually cancel out the n squared, so I've got bn plus c, which is a linear sequence. Let's see what the rest of it is. -1 minus 1 is -2. 0 minus 4 is -4. Okay. 3 minus 9 is -6. 8 minus 16 is -8. And 15 minus 25 is -10. Now, if you look at this, you've got a linear sequence. Okay, I've got a difference of -2. So I know this is going to be -2n plus 0. So b must be 2n and c must be 0. So I've got the sequence c 1n squared minus 2n plus 0, which is n squared minus 2n. Now, just to tell you there are other ways to work